Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can flip an image in Google Slides. Basically, it's almost like mirroring an image. Like if there's a person facing to the left, then the flip image will show the person facing to the right. And there are the two ways you can apply the setting to any image in Google Slides. The first method is not very good, but I think some of you might find it very practical. So what you need to do is you have to give some space to the area where you want to flip the image, and then click on either left or right of the anchor points and just move it around to the other side. Think roughly about this side, and there you have it. Now we have the flip version of the image. Of course, it's not going to be perfect because we have to do it manually, and this is not my favorite method anyway. Instead, what I highly recommend is we just use one tool that is available in Google Slides, and then you have to click on the image, click format options, and under size and rotation option, open it and select flip, either flip horizontally or flip vertically. So that's how you can flip an image in Google Slides.